Road to Relaxation Travel, and this is Cocktails with Crystal. We are all at home during the stay-at-home order, and we are missing travel so much. So we're trying to bring you a little bit of entertainment by sharing with you some of our very favorite cocktails from places that we love to travel. Now tonight we are going to share with you a sake cruise. Sake cruise is a specialty cocktail that Sandals and Beaches resorts serve, and it is one of my very favorite cocktails in the world. You'll hear me say that a lot because everything we pick out is going to be one of my very favorites. And they serve this at their soy restaurants and their kimono restaurants, usually at the resorts that have them. And it is amazing. It just makes me feel like my toes are in the sand and I'm looking at the clear blue Caribbean Sea and I don't have a care in the world. So we're gonna start off by putting our sake in. This is Nagori filtered sake, and we put in 2 ounces to mix it up.
So do all resorts have soy?
Not all of the Sandals and Beaches resorts have a soy restaurant, but most of them do. Like I said, I think I said it's a sushi restaurant, so we like to go there sometimes even before dinner and get a little appetizer before we go somewhere else. Now next we're going to put a ½ ounce of vanilla vodka.
So you were saying sushi restaurant and drinks, all this is included when you're on property?
Absolutely. Sandals is a luxury all-inclusive, as is Beaches. And so they include your high-end liquors, beers, house wines, and all of your food. Next, we are going to put 1 ounce of pineapple juice. And now if you're wondering, the difference between Sandals and Beaches is that Sandals is mostly for couples and Beaches is more for families, and a lot of times we send groups there. And we're going to put a ½ ounce of cranberry juice. And now Kimono's is the other restaurant that is usually close to a soy that you can get this at. And that is your tabletop hibachi restaurant. And we need a ½ ounce of grenadine.
So what's your favorite Beaches resort?
My favorite Beaches resort is the Beaches in Turks and Caicos. It's just, it looks like a really big resort, but there's so much happening and there's a place for everybody and the people are so friendly. Now we're gonna mix all of this up. We're gonna add some ice to our cup. Now at Beaches and Sandals, they serve us in a stemless wine glass, but pandemic, we work with what we have, and this is what we have. So I'm gonna pour my drink in over the ice. I'm gonna garnish it with some fresh cocktail. You can also use fresh pineapple. You can also use pineapple slices and pineapple leaves to garnish it. And this right here is a sake cruise. And I'm going to take a sip in a minute, and I bet it's going to take me right back to the Caribbean. Let's see. Absolutely. I can see the blue, clear sea right now, and all of my worries melting away. I hope you'll take a few minutes to try this recipe at home. Share with us on social media what you think about it, pictures of it, and please take a minute to go subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're having lots of different videos right now to try to keep everybody entertained. Have a great day.